Do you know which is the most commonly used password? Is the word password. Yep, you heard that right. Some of the others are 123456, 12345678, hello, monkey, QWERTY, dragon, ninja. No wonder websites beg you to have a strong password. Hi, I'm Surabhi and today I will tell you how to create a strong password. Today we need accounts to make any transaction online, be it emailing, messaging, using a phone, laptop, tablet, shopping or banking. And the most important thing you need to create while creating an account is a password. Why is this password so important? Why create a strong password? Your account or device contains sensitive information and personal data which you don't want to get into the wrong hands. That is why you need to create a strong password, one that reduces the chance of getting hacked and prevents anyone from trying to guess yours. I'm not saying a hacker sits at their computer and types the common passwords one by one. That would be tedious. They use programs that guess common passwords, which include many dictionary words. This is what leads to data breaches that you often see on the news. And that is why you should never use a dictionary word as your password. When you try to create an account, often your browser prompts you to generate a random yet strong password. The problem with this is that it's so random that you can't remember all those characters. Then, how to come up with a strong password and remember it? How to set strong password? Your password should be a minimum of 6 or 8 characters long depending on the website, but try having at least 12 or 14 characters. Here are some other strong password steps. Number 2. Avoid any kind of dictionary words because these are the main reasons your account gets hacked. Number 3. Avoid using random password generators as it becomes very difficult to remember those unrelated random symbols. Next, you can shorten your name or add a nickname, but include numbers, special symbols, a mixture of uppercase and lowercase letters, emoticons, and like that. Next, don't have the same password for multiple accounts, but you can customize it for different sites. Let's see an example. Say your name is XYZ with 21 being your birth date. Then you can have XYZ21 at FB for Facebook and XYZ21 at AMZ for Amazon, something like this. Another way to personalize apart from using your birth date is you can add your favorite code, phrase, or lyric. Like, look at this one, 4DA, 1SD. This is for the first time in forever song from Disney's Frozen. Cool, right? You might have heard about password managers. They are basically softwares that store, generate, and manage your various accounts, usernames, and respective passwords. But they are softwares too. And like many softwares, to use it, you need to create an account. Having an account means yes, you need to create a password for that too. And password managers are known to be safe, but some might have a little insecurity as they have the risk of getting hacked. It's not that common, it's very rare, but still. And some password managers, you'll have to pay for their services. Well, some of you might have tried writing it down and hiding it only to forget your hiding place, or you might have stored it in simple text file that is password protected, but then again you forget password for that too. So now that you know how to come up with a strong password, you don't need to spend hours thinking before creating a new account or changing your password. Comment down one of your strong passwords. No, I'm just kidding. Don't ever do that. But if you have any other tips, to create strong passwords which you use, please let me know in the comments below. And hit the like button if you liked it. Bye.